Introducing the SU3300 vehicle tracking device from Simply Unified. Quickly and easily plug the device into existing OBDII ports or install covertly with a splitter. The SU3300 remains continuously connected while on the move for real-time vehicle tracking. The SU3300 features an internal backup battery pack enabling critical unplugged power loss alerts to notify users of device removal or tampering. GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo positioning systems are used simultaneously for enhanced accuracy and faster fixes. Monitor speeding, harsh acceleration, braking, cornering, idling, and more, to improve safety and prevent unnecessary wear on vehicles. Configure accident and rollover detection and generate alerts triggered by extreme changes in velocity and orientation of a vehicle. Calculate run hours and distance traveled using the odometer to understand and optimize vehicle utilization. Create custom geofences and alerts if an asset enters or leaves specific locations. We can configure custom device parameters, such as heartbeat rate, movement, and accelerometer settings, and more, to meet your specific requirements. Military-level AES-256 encryption ensures the protection, integrity, and confidentiality of your data. Our easy-to-use software provides you with the ability to access your fleet data from any internet browser, anywhere in the world. View assets in real time, review trip history, share data, and access a wide range of business-grade reports. Access your fleet on the go, including real-time tracking and trip history using our advanced app. Our app is available on Android or iPhone. To find out more about the SU3300, call us on 1300 599 540 or visit simply-unified.com.au/SU3300.